I am going to take you through another skincare routine, another morning skincare routine. I already cleansed my face in the bathroom with the Tata Harper Regenerating Cleanser. I love this cleanser. I'm in love with Tata Harper's cleansers. This is they say it's for normal, no they don't, they say it's for combination and oily skin, but quite frankly I think it's great for all skin types because it's so lovely and gentle and it's hydrating. It's got a little bit of a scrub in it, so it's just a really nice morning cleanser, so I'm loving that. And now I'm going to use once again the Ordinary Marine Hyaluronics, which I've said it before and I will say it again, I love it, really good. So, if you've seen my videos before, you'll see that I've returned to the bedroom. This is normally where I do my Insta Lives. I tried to do, well I did do a video in the other room, but the lighting is just so much better in here. So, and I'm just relying on natural light at the moment, so yeah, I think we're just staying here for the time being. And then there's like the Darth Vader figurine in the background. That's not mine, don't ask. It's my boyfriend's. So now I'm going to do some eye cream and I'm going to try and be very gentle and professional the way that I apply this today. So I'm just looking in the viewfinder. Okay, now I'm going to use this little nifty spoon. I've got to introduce this. This is by this Works. I always forget to pronounce the name. It's a strange name. Light Time Open Eyes. And then I'm just going to massage this. Oh my gosh, this spoon is fabulous into the skin. Okay. And now the other eye. Gosh, look at this. Look how gentle I'm being today. No dragging. And then little sweeping motions for the drainage. Hi. I don't know why, I feel a bit more comfortable doing videos in the bedroom as well. Maybe because this is where I sleep, so I'm a little bit more relaxed. Who knows? But anyway. At the moment it's so nice and light because it's still summer, the weather's still really nice, but in the winter, I don't know how this is going to work when the light gets really dark. This, okay, so now I'm going on to a product by Alex Carro. I haven't featured this product before, I featured the brand before. This is just the multi-use balm. If you're new to the brand, I'm going to use it on my lips. My ever dry lips. I don't know, there's nothing I can throw at my lips that will stop them from getting dry. I don't know. Anyway, this brand is from Barcelona. It's called Alex Carro. I've also got a moisturiser from them, which I'm about to apply now. I love the packaging. It's a capsule collection of 5 products that are all natural and yeah, they could just be used together as a capsule collection. This is the cream that I'm going to use. They've got the cream, the balm, the face oil, a cleanser, which is like a gel to oil cleanser, and then they've got an exfoliating powder with enzymes in it. So it's a combination of like a physical, like grains, and then enzymes as well to exfoliate, and then you just mix that with the cleanser. And the brand must have launched around 2 years ago, roughly. It could be more or less. And they haven't launched any new products since, which is quite unusual for a brand. Brands like to launch new things, but this isn't the concept of this brand, but I wonder if they ever will launch anything new. But it's nice in a way that they're not just launching products for the sake of it. But yeah, I like it. Like the brand, like the products. Ah, gosh. All right, so now I am going to use some SPF mixed with some skin tint. So this is the SPF. This Works In Transit Skin Defense SPF 30, and it's also got antioxidants and hyaluronic acid in. And I'm going to mix it with this filthy looking skin tint by Glossier in medium. Look at the state of that. That is well loved. And I dropped this in the sink and my friend had to pull it out with tweezers. So look at it. But the stuff inside is all good. So I'm going to do 2 pumps of this. And then I'm probably going to do about 5 drops of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is just going to make a tinted SPF. Still pretty white. I must admit I did find this SPF a bit shiny when I first used it, but when you mix it with other products, I mentioned in a blog post recently, I was mixing it with the photography fluid from Hylamide, and yeah, when you mix it with other stuff, it's actually not so shiny. But if I just use it on its own, then it's very shiny. But all in all, I've been using quite a few products from this Works. I've actually got some other products that I haven't tested yet, but I really love I love the brand. Really love the brand. I love that it's gender neutral. I love that. Yeah, I just think that the products are really, really good. That's all I really need to say, isn't it? Okay, so now it's time for concealer. And I left my mirror in the other room, so I will be right back. I'm back. So I've got my mirror, and I picked up a couple of other products whilst I was at it. So now it's time to do concealer. So as always, it's Glossier Stretch Concealer in medium. I will try another concealer one day. I actually have my eye on another one. I want to use RMS and Cover Up in, I think my shade would be 2-2. So I just need to actually just go out and get some, go out and get it. So can you see me? Yes. So just under my eyes, where I get my bags. They're not bags, they are genetic dark circles. But doesn't matter what they are, they're dark and I don't want them there. So this, what's your favourite concealer? I'm always after recommendations. Have you tried let me know if you've tried the RMS and what your thoughts are and how it compares to the Glossier, if you've tried that as well. Here, these little bits as well, I have always had them, another thing, since I was a child. So, I think that's almost enough. I'm going to put a little bit more there, just to make me look more awake. And that's it. My face is done. Hey. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, now I'm going to do a little bit of powder and then I'm going to actually do my brows. Because in the last videos, whether it's been Insta Live or now on YouTube, I'm on YouTube, guys. How exciting is that? This is my what? This will be my 3rd video. And yeah, I love it. I'm so glad. I got the new camera that I'm filming on now, which I'm actually going to do a review on this little camera. It was about 500 euros. And it is the most brilliant camera. I've been using it for outfit posts for Instagram. So like out on the street. And then it's really good for filming. It's just a brilliant camera. It wasn't very expensive. It's by Canon. It's the, oh my God, I can't see it. It doesn't say on the front of what it's called. I'm going to do a review on it and I'm going to tell you guys all about it. And it's a new camera from Canon, and it's kind of for bloggers, but it's also like it's like a step up from, they say it's like a step up from an iPhone, from like a smartphone, but it's, oh my gosh, it's so good. And you can change the lenses on it. It's got a flip up screen so you can vlog with it. It's brilliant. And I'm actually going to Israel next month in September. I'm going to Tel Aviv and I'm going to take it and I'm going to attempt to do a vlog. I don't know if it's actually going to happen because I've never tried to do this before. So, but I'm going on the trip and it would be, you know, it would be rude not to, but you know, I don't want to stress myself out too much because I haven't had a holiday in ages, but it's such a, gosh, it's such a foreign, exciting country that it would, oh God, I would just love to share it with you guys. So, you know, we'll see. So this is Glossier Boy Brow in, gosh, I'm using the magnifying side of my mirror and it's flipping brilliant. I don't usually use it and it's like, my gosh, marvelous. Right, so that's it. Anyway, guys, I'm just going to spray a bit of fragrance. This is, this is from Dunhill. It's called Century. It's their newest fragrance. It's for men. But oh my gosh, everyone would love this. Well, fragrance is such a personal thing, but it's supposed to be for men, but it's a very, I want to say it's a flamboyant fragrance. It is so nice, but it is very flamboyant. But it is so good. And they said, yeah, I went to the launch of this and it was a breakfast in the Shard. If you are from the UK, you will know it. I think it's currently the tallest building in Europe, I think. That won't last long. Yeah, the beautiful glass building in central London by the river, and on the view, it's called the View. So the viewing deck, they put a table out there, and we all had breakfast overlooking London. It was fabulous. And then yeah, they did the presentation of this. So then I got a bottle, which was really nice. And it just so happens that I absolutely love it. If you are in a department store or something, if you want to look for it for yourself, or if you're just interested to know what the hell I'm talking about when I describe it, or you want something for your friend or someone, just go and check it out because it really does smell incredible. And when I say flamboyant, then perhaps you'll know what I mean if you actually smell it. Anyway, I'm waffling, as I always do, I'm sorry. That's it, guys, we're done. Skincare routine, the little chat is done, and I will be back with the next video soon. I'm going to do a lot of uploads at the moment because I just want the channel's new and I want to build it up with content and stuff like that, so there will be more stuff, and then just to build it up a little bit, and then I'll find a routine where it's not too much content because I don't want to drive you guys crazy. Or you probably just won't watch it if it's too much. Anyway, I'm waffling. Bye. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Leave comments. We'll have a conversation down there. All the good stuff. I love you guys and I'll see you next time. Bye.